Kubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Kementeri Sorkar Badekmi ikatanat kakot kakya kakong Ampareen lingdo kalau baki Dawai dashin bat Tiar gitar na kabenta ka Jingpang Ñiangmat lani conjunctivitis kiladon. Habai keren kilat pathai kubor ha ka janmi jo ka arpu artarik unailar arhajar arpu lai kakong Ampareen kalaya thu bakatanat Badekmi kala syem ka kamram man kmi ha ka bayade ka jingdon jing em Tiar gitar na kijaka Sumar baper na kabenta ban Sumar ki bayo ka Jingpang Ñiangmat lani conjunctivitis. Hakabaya de kila Jingïada kakong Ampareen kalau bakila Jingïada banat na Jingpang Ñiangmat ladap ban penmi sya kipat ba pat naman ba kadai ka Jingpang ka basa priang komta de ban buat ikila Jingïada kom ka jingdeng yet kman ban sait khu ikiti bat komta terter.
That comes to the state or any other state, in fact the entire country during this monsoon season, and advisories have already been given to the public at large. We've already given the advisories. The first thing is it's contagious. It's a contagious disease, which means very quickly if one person in one family gets it, it tends to spread very quickly. So few protective measures have to be taken. Firstly, wear shades, glasses, wear something to protect your eyes. Number two, wash your hands frequently. The same COVID practices have to be adhered to. So this is something which is not such a big concern for the state. But yes, I am told that recently in examination centers in schools having their internal examinations, separate rooms have also been provided for these children with the conjunctivitis or the pink eye, like you call it today. So I do not perceive it to be a very big threat, and all health facility centers have been issued necessary instructions. Medication has been made available. Health department is on the job. All of these facilities should be available even in a dispensary. So I hope that that will happen to help citizens get over this phase, and I'm sure we will get past it.
My last